There are places which are magical, but Spiti is beyond magic. It sure has a lot to offer and keeps you engaged with its charm and beauty. The breathtaking landscapes, brown mountains, snow-capped peaks, gushing rivers and the blue skies is a delight for every traveler and will forever be engraved in your memory once you travel through these routes. This was the 9th day of our journey. A journey that was coming close to an end. But what I'm taking with me is an experience of a lifetime, and a panoramic view of the valley that is full of life and nature. But there was one more place that was left to be covered before we leave this beautiful valley behind. Hikkim, an extension of Langsa and Komik, you could say. Because of its bowl-shaped setting it is surrounded by, it makes it quite similar to the two villages. And an absolute must-do thing here is to send a postcard. Because it's not every day that you send a postcard from the highest post office in the world. So we've got our postcards stamped now, and the only thing left to do is drop them in that mailbox which you see right there. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Let's go drop them. And we are done. So it's going to take about at least a month's time for the postcards to reach their locations. So I think that's something we are going to wait for now. Might be a surprise for these guys. They don't even know. So alright, let's go.
We stopped there because of one simple reason, for a photo op moment, because that what you see is the key monastery. अच्छा, जाने का रास्ता जो है
नहीं सर अभी तो आप देखा बट लिस्ट वही भेज रहे हो सो वी read about this cottage on the main road there to go right this is village area main road पे सर होता है people will check out the cottage this is more expensive I think this is like number one guest room I want this place this is more expensive it's okay
अच्छा
staying till 4 5 in the morning. I still want this.
Yeah, you can kill me for this after now.
Be careful, guys.
Watch your head.
Watch your head.
You don't need to.
Okay,
so this one has 2 double beds.
These are our rooms. He's so glad that you've come here and you already made a mess on the bed. So it is 5:30 in the morning and we are in Losar right now. We are heading towards Chandratar, which is our next plan of action. It is bloody cold right now. You have no idea. It's freezing. It's freezing out here. Yeah, bikes took us about 15 odd minutes to start. It's really cold. So I think we just want to start our engines and get things rolling. This guy had ice on his windscreen. आई सट गई झूले आई सट गई जीज चले लेट्स गो ओह मॉर्निंग ब्लेस रात में ये जगह दिखाई भी नहीं दे रही थी एंड लुक एट दिस प्लेस वाओ ओह you see the snow-capped mountains over there.
Saying goodbye to this peaceful, soothing, and delightful place, Losar, we headed towards our final destination to complete the Spiti circuit. But before that, we will be stopping at a place that is one of the most traveled mountain passes. Motorbiking enthusiasts are familiar with this majestic gateway that leads to Lahore and Spiti Valley and gives you a thrilling riding experience. I kid you not, the temperature was getting bad to worse as we ascended towards our destination. It was getting colder and colder and my hands were just giving up on me. It was really getting difficult for me to ride. Had to keep moving my fingers to keep the blood circulation going on. Honestly, nothing was helping me. The only thing that was giving me a little hope was the sun, the warmth of which I wanted so bad. This was like a testing phase for me, and most of us riders have gone through this part. Pushing yourself is the only thing that will keep you going in here. But it's all worth it when you reach your destination at a height of 4551 meter above sea level to one of India's highest motorable mountain passes.
Finally, Kunzum Pass. This is the place that we've reached. Not too far from Chandratal Ram. This is some place that we really wanted to check out, and this is where we are now. Oh my god, and it is freezing cold. Freezing cold. My hands, oh my god, they jam gaye yaar. And look at this beauty.
I don't think they'll have any issues if I take a dip inside the water. ठंड लगेगी यार, but करेंगे, मजा आएगा. Let's see. Wow, look at this.
So finally, we have managed to reach Chandratal. Ah, my goodness, what a journey so far. So this is the last destination to our Spiti circuit. And my goodness, what a journey. We started off in the morning from Losar. It's just damn chilly in the morning. Ah, it was biting, man. You had no idea. My hands almost gave up here while I was riding. Almost thought I was getting frostbite. But so the journey was really good. The roads were really bad for sure. And we're heading to the lake, which is about 20 minutes walk. So far so good. Let's go and check out the Chandratal lake. So finally this is where we are at, the Chandratal lake. The last destination on the Spiti circuit that we are supposed to cover. And finally we've made it. Let's check it out. Making the most of our time in Chandratal, it was time for us to leave. But none of us were willing to. Hoping to get that one good look at the mountains, that one last picture that defines the journey, which may temporarily be satisfying but will leave us wanting for more. This is one place I'm definitely coming back to. Now with all of those thoughts in my head, we made our way to Manali, which was still a little far. But reaching there will perhaps be the most challenging part of the entire journey. Battal, Gramfu and Rohtang Pass are the places that we will be crossing. The stretch is notorious for being extremely tough and challenging. There are going to be no roads, only trails to follow, filled with stones, rocks, dirt and a lot of water crossings. And perhaps the most thrilling part of the journey as well.
आप आगे से उठा लो, राजेंद्र जी दफना खाता. ये पूरे रूट में सबसे गंदा पैच है. Holy shit! My goodness, what the fuck was that? Oh. Oh.
So that's what you see behind me. That is what you call Padan Nala. And luckily I made it through. I'm so glad I did not topple. And oh my god, the flow of this water and the pressure and the dip it suddenly has, oh my god. Like it's so hard to control your bike. But luckily I made it through. And yeah. So we finally made it to Old Manali after a really long ride. It was terrible coming from Chandital all the way to Manali. The roads are so patchy, they're so bad. There are practically no roads, to be very honest. But somehow we made it through. In the process, we also happened to break the car for a while. The bumper got down and we had to fix it with using the bungee ropes. Fortunately, I was carrying a set and we somehow did some sort of a jugaad, jis tarah bandha use. And now we are heading to eat breakfast, which is quite late. It's almost afternoon. We're gonna have brunch rather. Anyway, so this is one of my favorite places that I come whenever I come and visit Manali. It's the People's Cafe. So we're gonna head out and have breakfast and yeah, and then move to Delhi. So let's go. Time for us to leave from Manali and head to Delhi. Chalo, let's go.